so for tonight's homework, I'm really hoping we're there already in class. We have to be, okay? Otherwise, we're probably a little bit behind. So homework number 45, page 302, 9 through 12, 14, 15, 16, 22, 23, 30, 31. Now, you might say, hey, why are you giving us so much homework? It's actually not that much work. And I want to touch on a little bit of everything. So that's why I'm doing this now. 9, let's do 11 together. Okay, so I'll show you 11. If you want, you can go back to do 9, 10, and then 12. Okay, I think that's the best way to go. And having said that, and then we'll just do a little bit of each section. Okay, just so that you know how to do everything. Okay. Now, even if we did not cover the latter section in class, it's okay. Just watch it like an educational video. Okay, and then try it on your own. Okay, it's no big deal. All right. Let's do 11. And 11 wants you to do this. It wants you to turn this fraction into a percent, which means you got to turn it into a decimal first. Now, I mean, no, hold on. No, I'm not going to say it. All right, so you're going to turn this 11 over 20 into a decimal, all right? And then we'll turn it into percent. So here now, I already know 20 can go into 11. So I'm gonna add a decimal, add a 0, and keep going, okay? So this is, by the way, this is in one of the videos that's published already. Video lessons that's published, okay? I think it's Unit 3, Lesson 2, Fractions to Decimals, okay? So hopefully you get a chance to watch it. It's really good, all right, I think. So that's times 5. 5 times 20 is 100. This one's not so bad, actually, but it's okay. So 110 minus 100 is 10. But, right, 20 doesn't go in 10, so you add a 0. Bring it down. 20 go into 100 5 times. Right, and that's 100. Now, 0.55, right? So 0.55, that's good. We got the decimal. Do you guys know what the percent is for 0.55? Yep, you move it twice to the right? So you move this guy, decimal, twice to the right, and that will give you 55%. Okay, and that's that. All right, so let's find another question. So what, 14 or 16? Let's do 15, yeah. So 15 is saying, hey, turn 6% into a fraction. Okay, what's 6% is a fraction? Now think about this, right? In class, by now, hopefully, I have mentioned something like write it like you say it. So what I mean, all right, look at the screen. 6 per out of 6%. What cent? 100. Right? 100 cents is $1. So 6%. Now you got to reduce. Don't forget that. Always be reducing. So 2 going to 6 3 times. 2 and 150. So there you go. There you go. There's your simplest form answer. Fraction. Now let's see, right? I really like 22 actually. Let's see. Yeah. 22 and 24. How about that? Oh, I didn't ask you to do 24. Okay, so 22 then. So 22. Turning 1% as a decimal now. Turning 1% as a decimal is quite simple. Whereas when we turn from decimal to percent, we move this twice to the right. When we turn percent back into a decimal, what do you think we're going to move the decimal? Yeah, to the left, right? So here you got a decimal, right? That's invisible. 1, 2. All right, so you got a decimal there now. So point what? What's this placeholder here? Right, 0.01. That is 1% as a decimal. 0.01, quite small, isn't it? All right, one last one. Okay, I like 31. So let's do 31, okay? I know it's a long video, but I think it's a good opportunity for you to get some practice and learn. So now, turning 0.85 into a fraction. What did I say in class? Oh, if I didn't, how will we do this? Right, write it like you say it. So how do you say this in fancy English? Right, 8,500, right? So watch this. Look at the screen. 85 hundredths. That's how you do it, okay? You write like say 85 hundredths. Okay, let's reduce. What is that? Five go to both, right? So 5 times 1, 7, 17 over 20. And that's it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. That's the that's the last homework of 2019. So thanks for watching and have a good one.
OMG, that was so good.